Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and having a really high functioning faucet makes all the difference in the kitchen. This one here from KOHLER has been an amazing upgrade in our kitchen remodel. So this is the KOHLER Crue pull down kitchen faucet, and it is in the matte black color. We chose this one because we wanted something that was going to really last and be super durable. And we've tried other brands of faucets in the past, but we come back to KOHLER because they just last so long and they do such a good job. I like the features on this one. Number one, I like that it has such a really nice high arch, so you can really fit a lot underneath it. So even if you have like a really tall stock pot, it's no problem to clean it. I also love the pull down spray function, and it has 3 different settings. So it has the spray, it has a sweep, and it also has a boost function. So you can push that and get 30% more pressure from it. So you have some tough messes, you can really blast through them easily. The sink was also easy to install, so that was really nice. And we just love the way that it looks. It's perfect with our butcher block countertops and our farmhouse sink, and it's really pulled the kitchen together. So this faucet has been extremely durable, really high quality, and functions very, very well. And it definitely was a welcome upgrade to this kitchen. And that's my point of view.